Experiencing Bluetooth or CarPlay issues with your Maruti Suzuki Brezza's SmartPlay system. Before seeking professional help, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your system's firmware is up to date via the Maruti Suzuki app or a service center. Outdated software often causes connectivity problems. If issues persist, a factory reset can resolve software glitches. Access the reset function through the Settings System Reset menu. Be aware this erases all personal data. After the reset, repair your devices. For CarPlay lag, also enable USB debugging in the developer options if available. If a factory reset doesn't fully solve Bluetooth or CarPlay problems, consider that older Brezza models from pre-2022 might struggle with newer iOS or Android versions due to hardware limitations. For Bluetooth issues, verify that Bluetooth protocols, such as A2DP for audio, match your device's capabilities. The future of SmartPlay includes enhanced voice assistant integration, such as Alexa and Google Assistant, available in 2025 models. By 2027, SmartPlay may include 5G-enabled features for better traffic updates. While wireless CarPlay is in demand, wired connections remain more reliable for now. If problems continue, contact Maruti Suzuki support for further assistance.